My name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to create a user interface with data elements in VisionX. First, we need to create a new screen. We'll name it Data Elements, and we want an empty universal layout. Although we have many elements listed here on the left-hand side, our data elements are actually at the bottom, or they will be once we add them. Clicking the green plus button, we will use existing data as our data source. For example, let's use the customers table. Now we see the elements the customers table has. After clicking finish, you can see that we now have the data elements to use in our new screen. Let's test them out. First, I need a panel as a container for my elements. Now let's add, for example, the customer's name field and also a revenue field. So we have both a text field and a currency field. We can also put in a checkbox. We should also add some labels. If we want, we can edit the data element by clicking the editing pencil at the bottom. Maybe we want a text area instead of a text short, so we have a little bit more space available. Clicking finish, we can now add the edited address field and see that it is now a text field that is larger than we would have previously. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.